Hello Tech Explorers, want to give your Telegram account a fresh new look? Changing your profile picture is super easy and I'll guide you through it right now. First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. This will open the menu. Now, tap on your profile picture, then tap Set New Photo. Now you have got two choices, take a new photo right now or choose one from your gallery, whichever you prefer. Once you have picked the perfect picture, you can crop or adjust it to fit just right. When you are happy with it, tap Save and your new profile picture is updated. You can also set multiple profile pictures, just tap Add another photo instead of replacing the old one. People can swipe through your profile pictures just like a mini album. What's your go-to profile picture? A selfie, a pic, or something fun? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.